Hey, what's happening, my friends? Are you looking for a single family home under $1 million? If that's you, stay tuned for this tour. I'm about to show you a just under 1,500 square foot house, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms in San Juan Capistrano, a fantastic South Orange County city. I'm standing in the Greenbelt for the community. This place is listed for $899. It's a fantastic deal. I can't wait to show it to you. Let's get this camera turned around. This is the community Greenbelt. The property is right over here, but I wanted to start here because you have this amazing, walkable, kid-friendly, just natural open space here. We are in the San Juan Village, a great community. The unit's right up here. I'm going to take you through the front door in a second. This is some of the community parking here. There is a kind of a minor HOA. It's not an expensive HOA. This property has a brand new roof. Look at that roof. 2-car garage. And let's get you inside. As we make our way in through the front door here, you're gonna see how 1,500 square foot lays out. It's got this big family room. 8-foot ceilings. This space is, I'm gonna guesstimate it's around 19 feet long. Big wall here for a huge big screen TV when you first come in. But look at all this space. You can have a huge sectional couch in here. The unit itself gets a lot of light. There's a lot of light pouring in through this window over here, out where the courtyard is. More light pouring in from this window. And this is a single level. There's one small step here, but it's still designated single level. And this is the kitchen space. Brand new kitchen. The owner of this property just remodeled this kitchen before they sold it. It's been owned by the same owner for just about 30 years. So the kitchen was outdated. They wanted to bring it up to speed. These are Quartz countertops. Really nice white quartz with a earth tone marbling in it. Kind of a champagne marble. They put this large 30-inch basin sink in with a brushed nickel faucet. Love that sink. Got some open shelving there with a white shaker cabinet and champagne colored pulls. Those turned out really nice. This color pull is really working together with the Zalige tile backsplash and the champagne that's in the quartz. If you can see, it kind of all goes together. The tile is working with the shaker and working with the pull and working with the countertop. So it has a really good feel to it. All the appliances are stainless steel, so they're all in harmony, right? You go stainless sink, stainless dishwasher by Bosch. That's a quality dishwasher. Bosch is known for low decibel sound output. Samsung oven, range, and Frigidaire gallery fridge, brand new appliances. And this is a peninsula too, so it kind of functions nicely in this space. Take a shot for you from the kitchen, looking into the dining space with that 10-foot slider. So we're getting a lot of natural light in here. We're getting a good breeze. San Juan Capistrano is still close enough to the ocean that you get ocean breezes. It's probably 78, 79 degrees today. We're at the tail end of May, but this breeze is keeping things nice and cool. And this is a good amount of space. For a courtyard single family home, this is a good amount of space. Looking at a lot of trees when you look up. It's obviously very quiet. Let's go check out the bedroom wing. So 4 combined bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Our first stop as we come down the hall, we've got this single vanity bathroom with a shower and a tub. This tile work isn't brand new per se. This is probably updates that were done in the last 10 to 20 years, but it's in very good condition. Extremely well taken care of and clean. You can see the grout lines are all clean. The tile is not chipped or broken. The sink basin is still shining. And And there's a cool tile detail around this mirror. That's nice. Built-in medicine cabinet out of cabinetry versus one of those cheap mirrored finish ones. And then right across the hall is going to be guest bedroom number 1. Guest bedroom number 1 with the closet space. These are all dual pane, so 2 panes of glass, vinyl material, sliding windows. These are going to be an upgrade from what these were originally built with, which would have been aluminum. So that operates really nicely. There's also an upgraded baseboard and door casing. Here's the door casing. A lot of times you'll see this old standard kind of boring 1.5 inch combined with the 1.5 inch or the 2 inch base in these older 70s properties, but this has all been redone with a really nice laminate wood flooring that still is in great condition. I mean, for the floors being done in the last 10 to 12 years, they are in great shape. Got a little bit of wear and tear at the transition, but very mellow, very well taken care of. This is going to be the master bedroom here. We've got a ceiling fan and quite spacious. Plenty of room for a king-size bed. There's also room for a dresser over here, and this is going to have the larger size closet with some built-in closets and shoe organizers. All right, let's check out this master bathroom. This master bathroom is still shining. This is a high quality travertine floor. And you can see, I can even see it in the camera, this is still glistening. So the travertine's been really well taken care of. The travertine continues onto the vanity countertop. The sink basin's in good shape. The fixtures can probably stand to be replaced. Still serviceable, but there's a little bit of wear and tear there. And then a really nice size shower for this size property. You can see that there's a bench and multiple nooks for the different shower necessities. So as we make our way out of the primary here, we've got guest bedroom number 2. Kind of your standard smaller bedroom, but this one does have the walk-in closet. That's a nice feature. And then down the hall to our left, make one stop here for coat closet, linen storage, and then the final guest bedroom. This is probably the nicest guest bedroom. It's got the most closet space, the most natural light. Plenty of space here with a view out towards the courtyard. So with this property being almost 1,500 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, $899, this is pretty much going to be one of 5 properties for this square footage that's this nice in all of South Orange County, particularly the Tri-City, San Juan Capistrano, Dana Point, San Clemente. As a buyer, you'd be hard pressed to find something that competes with this. It is a brand new listing and it's getting a lot of traffic, so that's, at this price point, things are still very competitive. And if you're looking or you're targeting something under $1 million, right, your options become a little bit fewer when you start to search under that $1 million. You can get a lot of condos, but if you're particularly looking for single family, and you're probably wondering, well, it was attached, Ryan. When you walked up, it was attached. It is. It's single family attached with a 3,000 square foot lot. So even though there's an attached wall, this is still a single family home where this property owner owns the dirt around and in the property line underneath this home. It is not a condominium that is fractional ownership with all the other owners. So that's a cool feature about having single family, and that also plays into the factor of the pricing. So to find single family under $1 million, there's not that many options, and this is a darn good one. If you'd like to take a look at this, you could reach out to me, but more importantly, if you're watching this, you're still probably sizing up what's out there. And that's a really good thing to be doing. The next step that you should be taking, reach out to me so that I can start to show you these types of opportunities first before they hit the market. And that way, whenever the time is right for you, whether that's 6 months down the road or 6 years down the road, you're in the loop of what's happening with properties. You're in the loop of the cadence of the market, how many offers these types of properties are getting, and I'll put you in a perfect position so that when the time is right, you can swoop in and be the buyer for a great property like this. Thanks so much, and I'll see you on the next one.